See this guys, I have opened a new online e-commerce store where I just do the uploading part, okay, and per product I have uploaded $9 for this product, okay. So watch along this video guys, I'll show you step by step how you yourself can open your own e-commerce store and earn a good amount of money absolutely free of cost guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you are getting paid a good amount of money while following my step, okay. And guys, you do not require any skill, you do not have any knowledge, just copy paste thing you need to do and you are getting paid for that. Just watch along this video and I'll show you how you yourself can open your own store and earn good amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by opening your ebook store and sell your ebooks free of cost. No skill required, no physical shop required, no registration fees required, and you are getting paid a good amount of money from this website. Okay, so watch along this video guys, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that guys there is always a motivation to give you the best content, okay, and you will get the notification of my videos every single day. So guys, what I need to do, so this is a website guys where this platform will offer you to download your ebooks, okay, whatever ebooks you have written, or I'll show you step by step how you yourself can do it free of cost guys. You do not have to write ebooks, okay, rigorously. I'll show you a website where you can just download it and just upload it, okay, absolutely free of cost, okay. So no copyright issues, don't worry, no copyright issues, and it's a genuine website. So I'll show you first guys the crowd, okay, because everyone is asking me on comment section that sir please give us proof that how much customers are actually come on this website. So I'll show you guys, okay, this is a similar web and I'll show you the name of this website is Payheap, okay, payheap.com, okay, just click on this payheap.com, you can see, okay, just click on this Payheap and you can see guys how much customers are there. You can see 1.32 million people are there, okay, and you can see most of them are from United States, okay. So there are great chances that you are getting paid good amount of money, okay guys. So it's a 100% genuine website guys, okay. You do not have to spend even penny from your pocket, not even spend a penny. So let me just show you how you can open your store. Just come up in this corner and you can see get started for free. Just click on this and you are redirected to this page, okay. So I just need to enter my mail ID and password and that's it, okay. So I just quickly do it and just enter my password, okay. Just click on this create new account, okay. And guys, what business name or your name you can give, okay. I just gave my business name, okay. This is a name that I want to give, okay. So for if you want to give this name, so what is the link, unique link that is generated, whether you want this link, this name, or you can give different name, okay, depends upon you. I just want this, so I just click on this get started selling, okay. So my store is created guys, absolutely free of cost. I do not have to do anything, just that's it, that's simple. I just need to do that simple thing. So for while you come in this section, you can see guys, you just need to add a new product, okay. Just click on this add a new product and you can see add your first product, okay. So just click on this add a product, okay, and you are redirected to this page, okay guys. So you just need to add a digital product, okay guys. You can do various kind of things, but I just wanted to sell your ebooks, softwares and other files. So I just want you to sell your e-product. So I just click on this add a digital product, just click on this thing and I just need to upload a product. So for that I should have a product, okay. So where I should find out a product without written any product. So I just gave you a website guys, free PLR downloads, okay, free PLR freeplrdownloads.com. okay, so this is a website guys where you can download free ebooks from this store. okay, no copyright issues, nothing it will give you, and there are ample of categories from this. You can see internet marketing, list building, network marketing, parenting, okay, product creation, self-help, okay, social media, software, spiritual. So there are lots and lots of products you can see, and let me just give you a small product. okay, so I just click on this affiliate marketing. okay, just click on this affiliate marketing. So I just want this product. okay, so I just click on this product, and you can see guys, this is a good product. okay, so I just want to sell this thing. okay, sell this product. So what I need to do, I just need to first download it. okay, you can see guys, I'm not skipping any part guys, because lots and lots of people are having this comment, sir please don't skip any part. So you can see guys, it has already downloaded. So I just need to upload it. Just click on this download. So what is our product name? Affiliate Marketing Mastermind. okay, it is uploading. So in the meanwhile, I just type in affiliate marketing mastermind. okay, so mastermind. okay, so I have just given the name, and my upload is done. okay, and what minimal price I should give guys, I just want to tell you that just give $9. okay, so starting price, whatever you should give, just give it minimum. okay, minimal. And what I need to do, I just need to upload the design. So what should I do? You just come up in this website again, and just right click on this and just click on save image. okay, or if you are on the mobile phone guys, what you need to do, you just zoom in and just take a screenshot and then upload it. okay, if you are on mobile phone. So it's very simple guys, I'll show you how you need to do. okay, so this is my cover page. You can see that simple guys. I show you live demo how you can do it. okay, in the bio you just need to give this description. okay, this description that you need to just cut, copy, paste this description out in this. okay, and just for the demo purpose, I just give affiliate marketing book, and just give, copy paste this description on here. okay, and just click on this add product. okay, and you can see guys, my product is uploaded successfully. So this is a link of my product. okay, where whatever if I want to sell this product to my intended audience, okay, I can do it, or I can check out my store. okay, so this is my store that I have created guys. You can see $9, and anyone can buy this. So this website, what it will do guys, it has created its own social media platform on Pinterest, Facebook and Twitter. okay, so you do not have to do the marketing. okay, this website will do the marketing as well by itself. okay, you do not have to do anything. But if you want to do, so if you have your own audience, okay, if you want this money, so what this website will offer you guys, if you are doing marketing on your own, you are getting this $9 in your pocket. Otherwise you need to give some percentage to that website. okay, if they are doing the marketing. So if you want to do marketing, what you can do guys, you can sell your product. So for affiliate marketing, I should have an intended audience. So I just come up on Facebook and just type affiliate marketing. okay, so I can post on their group. So you can just need to type affiliate marketing. okay, this affiliate marketing, I just need to type in, and you can see guys, there are lots and lots of people. okay, lots and lots of groups. okay, you just need to post your product on these groups. You can see this is one group. okay, I just need to join this group. okay, I just need to just join this group, and you just need to give I am a student. Okay, just give this description, just submit it. Okay, that's it. Okay, and you are getting approval from this website for that, and you just need to join in and just post your products on this website. You can see guys how much people are there. 175.2 people are there. Okay, let us suppose guys, from this website I just take minimum. Okay, I just click see the online calculator. Okay, just see the online calculator. Okay, so from this what it is, 175k plus. So let us suppose guys, minimum 1000 people will buy my product, so I will get $9,000 in my pocket by just posting my link on this website. Okay, and there are ample of groups. You can see 26,000, 40,000. So you just need to do one thing. What you need to do, if you want me to post it, I just show you how to post it. Okay, what you need to do guys, this is a link, okay, that this website will share. You just need to copy this, and in your post, okay, just need to post it. Okay, just need to post it. Okay, that's simple. Affiliate marketing mastermind. You can see guys, my product is listed. Okay, if anyone can buy this product, they are just want to just click on this product, click on that product, and he will redirect it to this and do the payment and all. Okay, so this is very simple technique guys. I'll just show you how you can do it. Okay, not only this website guys, okay, I just gave you another website where you can share this link. I just want to give you a link, that is reddit.com. This is a social media where lots and lots of people are active. Okay, affiliate marketing. Okay, just enter it. Okay, so whatever product you are downloading guys, okay, just try to give that product to intended people. You can see guys, startups, affiliate marketers, these on reddit.com you will find out the people who are more serious. On Facebook there are ample of people guys, okay, who are interested and not interested, but on reddit.com you will find a community of people who are serious about it. Okay, who are serious about this affiliate marketing, and you can see there are genuine audience. You just need to sign up and join this group and just do the same post process. Okay, every website is having same thing. Okay, these social medias are high potential. So if you do not want to do guys, don't worry, this website will do it on your own. You can see they have their own social media platform, Pinterest, Facebook and Twitter. Okay, but they are charging their own fees. Okay, don't worry about it, they are charging their own fees and they will do the selling of your product. Okay, but if you are doing your own selling, then you will get this share 100%. Okay, so this is what it takes. Okay guys, so it's very easy. And now I'll show you guys how to attach your PayPal account. Okay, so whatever whatever thing you just need to do, you just need to the payment that you receive on your PayPal account, just come up in this account setting. Okay guys, just settings. Okay, on your account settings, the payment details you just need to, and you just need to link your PayPal account. Okay guys, just click on this link your PayPal and just set up your email address and just click on continue, and your email will attach to this website. Okay, you do not have to do anything. Okay, this thing is done, and you can show your this website will give an analytics. You can see guys, this website will give an analytics. So I have got 7 views. You can see guys, I've got 7 views. You can see it's very effective. 7 views I have seen. I just uploaded my product and you can see 7 views instantly. So this is what I just want to tell you guys. You can see people from some country, it will show you from where the people are earning. Okay, you can see where the people are actually want my product. Ireland. People from Ireland have seen my this book. Okay, so if they are interested, I hope they are doing the payment process. Okay, so if they are interested, they will buy my product instantly. Okay guys, so this is how potential it is. I have just uploaded it on your you can see guys, I have just uploaded in front of you. Okay, I have not done anything. I'm not photoshopping. Okay, if you see that I'm editing, I'm not editing. You can see I've shown you the live demo, how much people have actually see my this page. Okay, so this is what I am continuously trying to say. Okay, then you can upload your biograph. You can even customize your store as well guys. Okay, if I just gave you that you can customize, this is a store that you have seen, so you can even upload some background images as well to make your store more good, looking good. Okay, so if I just give a small picture like this guys, okay, it will do the uploading part, so it will give more good look to your that landing page, to your store. Okay, you can do the changes as well. Okay, so this is how you just need to do it. If you like this video guys, if you like how we can open our online store free of cost guys, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket on this website. Okay, you are just getting paid whatever you are entered. Let us suppose you are just getting paid for this type of thing, and if they are doing earning, then your earning will boost to a next level. Okay, so just hit the like button. You can see guys, I have just recently uploaded my background. So this is how you have to do. Okay, just click on this save changes and you are good to go. Okay, so if you like this video guys, just subscribe to this channel and hit the like button so that I can give you more learning about how you can earn money online by just following some simple steps. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning.